Organizing a closet full of pictures doesn't have to be a daunting task. Today, we'll show you an easy way to prepare photos and memorabilia to be digitized. Gather your photos and remove them from albums and frames. Focus on keeping only the most important prints. Remove duplicates, poor shots, and unnecessary multiples from the same event. I like to use plastic containers and sticky notes to keep track of everything while I'm rough sorting. The bins are labeled so that each of my children get a copy of photos they are in, and so that I get a copy of the family shots, which I'll eventually make duplicates for my kids as well. Letters, recipes, and special documents can also be digitized. When it comes to organizing printed photos, you can be as general or as specific as you'd like. In this example, I've sorted by child, family, and timeline by using dividers. Eventually, each section will become a folder full of digital files that are easy to access, share, and store on my computer. It's also a good idea to have a copy of the files on a cloud storage system. Once your photos are prepped, simply drop them off at our shop.